What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on NatGas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. I'm going to go through capital.com and NEMIX as well, starting with Awanda platform. So as you can see, the price opened above in gap right here and opened above 50 and 20 EMA. That is absolutely fine, as we are still bullish and we are still above the trend line and still above 50 and 20 EMA. So for the buy trades, for the pullback entries, all I want to see a break above these highs, preferably these highs. But broken above these highs would be a better entry as well, followed by pullback and bullish engulfing pattern. So that is what I'll be looking at this point, or 382 candles bullish. I want to see above 20 and 50 EMA for the possible buy trades. For now, we are still bullish. We can still see a retracement back to this trend line or the zone I've mentioned in my previous video. If there is no entry condition, if there is entry condition, I'm going to take my trade. So still, trend line is still in a play. That is something I'll be looking at for the possible buy trades and the zone as well. For now, look for your bullish engulfer once we've broken above this high, followed by bullish engulfing pattern. Here on NEMIX, price above 50 EMA, not closed yet. That is not a valid bearish engulfing candle, if in case you are wondering. Now, a couple of videos ago, I've mentioned, if you remember, few weeks ago, that I'm still looking at a possible head and shoulder pattern. That is not completed. That's something I'll be looking at for the long term. For that, price must hit this level, then pull back and then form a right shoulder. So that is something I'll be looking at if we have broken below the trend line and we turn bearish till this area. So that is something I'll keep you guys updated as well. For now, for buy trades, I want to see a break above these highs and then a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern, and keep on taking longs till we are equal to the recent highs. That is what I'll be looking at on this platform. Just wait till the price break above these highs. Overall, we are still bullish. Looking at on daily time frame, we are above 20 EMA and above 50 EMA as well. Deep retracement can happen. If there is no entry condition, we can still wait for the better entry. Wait with patience. Don't enter your trades without any condition. Now here on NEMIX, that is a valid bearish engulfing pattern, a swing high bearish engulfing candle. That is a valid entry. Can be risky. If you want to enter here, you can get a better reward to risk ratio. Again, that's going to be risky. If you look here, we are just above 20 EMA. So it's totally up to you if you want to take it or not. But that's a valid bearish engulfing, swing high bearish engulfing pattern here on capital.com. For buy trades, I want to see a break above this high, then a pullback followed by bullish engulfing pattern. Or we can see another pullback to this trend line followed by bullish engulfer. That price will likely to push up. For the long term, we are bullish, but we can still see some retracement to this zone, to the trend line, or possibly to this zone, the zone I've mentioned already in my previous video, from where we can see a possible bounce if the price dramatically fall from here. So on this platform, swing high bearish engulfer, and let's see how this goes. It's going to be risky again, but valid on this platform. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now forming a swing low bullish engulfing pattern. Now, if that turns out to be a bullish engulfer, that's going to be valid buy signal here on gold. So let's see how this close. If close, I'm going to go 1 ATR from a target, which is $12 at this point. So from the close to $12, or if you want to enter the pullback at the middle of the candle, wait for the little pullback. Once it's closed, enter here. $12 can be a take profit and stop loss as well. You can also have a bigger targets by keeping your stop loss below the wick and the area, and take profit. You can go till this recent high. So initial targets will be 1 ATR. And let's see how this close. If closed as a bullish engulfer, we can see a possible push up from gold. Next up, silver. Silver is pushed up. That is good. Now, once we are closed above this little yellow anchor, in that case, the price will turn bullish, and I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish. Only same like gold, entry pattern we have on gold. So once we have a pullback above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long from here. So keep an eye. Bullish trades, as now we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Once closed, we can start to look for the bullish confirmation with the pullback entry bullish. Lastly, we have crude oil. I've just redone the zones I've sent to the members, but here on the YouTube, 71, that goes to 72.47. It is a zone from where now I want to see a possible push down, retest, bullish engulfers or double bottom. Once we have that, we are good to go along. So that is what I'll be looking at, or just a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern. Or for the Fibonacci entry, if you look here, if you want to use the upper level, that is fine as well. 50% can be buy limit, or the take profit can be 1.618. Retracement stop loss can be below this pattern. Again on crude oil, Fibonacci entry can be very, very risky, as the crude oil doesn't work really good with technicals. But it is something I also look for the aggressive traders. If you're someone who can afford to take a risk, or you can use the lower level as well. If you want to see some more retracement, use this level for the 50% retracement. Otherwise, better entry will be from this zone with bullish engulfers at double bottom, or pullback entry above 50 EMA, which is a bullish engulfing pattern. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.